Good morning students. Again this video also for the subject Contemporary India and Education. We are going to learn about the basic education or Bharata schemes introduced by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, it is the special type of education. Okay, the salient features of this scheme were discussed in All India National Education Conference at Varadham in the year 1937. Because of this type of education also called as Varada education, basic education or Varada education. What do you mean by salient features? Salient means very important, unavoidable features were designed by a group of people. Most of them are very much interested about the progress of India. The meeting was held before independence. You should see to that. That's why it is called as basic education. In those time, it was mass education was neglected. What do you mean by mass education? Education was not available for all the people. It was available only for a selected people by British government. And British type of education was not favored by or supported by Mahatma Gandhi and all other patriots. Okay, because of that one, English type of education is totally unsuitable. And Gandhiji said, the man is the backbone of, the common man is the backbone of India. He must be given with the basic education, necessary education. His education should not be denied. So for that purpose, he introduced this basic education. What are the important features of this one is, first one is, and this meeting you should know something about who framed the syllabus. It was Dr. Zakir Hussain who finalized the syllabus. There is a special note about him. He worked as a governor in Bihar before independence itself, and he worked as a third president. He took the role as a president of India, third president, okay, highly educated, and he who finalized the syllabus for basic education. What are the important features? First one is free and compulsory education for all the children of age group 7 to 14. All the children must be inside the school. There should be a free of education. That is main feature of this basic education. Next one is regarding curriculum. Curriculum is basic craft centered one. Craft centered means even the science subject and wherever it is possible, using the craft approach only it was taught. And the syllabus was very comparatively, when you are comparing the syllabus was very minimum, we could say, because they were totally ignorant. Indians were the mass Indians, the total Indians, majority were ignorant. Okay, so basic craft was taught. In that one, agriculture, spinning, weaving, woodwork, metalwork, all those things were taught to them using the craft method. Spinning, you know that nool nukkurathu, okay. And the second feature is mother tongue. The education was given through mother tongue. Gandhiji was very particular about it. Because of that one, the children may come with the self-expression and they can understand very clearly what he said. So the medium of instruction is through mother tongue. Next one is art and music. Art and music was given importance because it will develop the creativity and artistic ability of the students. So for that purpose, art and music was introduced. Next, Hindustani. Hindustani became a compulsory subject in basic education. What is this one? Already I told you what is Hindustani. It is a language where Hindi and Urdu combined together framed a new language. It is called Hindustani. It became a compulsory subject. And next one is home sciences meant for girls. Girls, there is a separate one separate education is given other than the general education, that is home science. And this scheme is introduced by Mahatma Gandhi in 1947. After the independence, he introduced that one all over India. Okay. What are the merit? The three things. First one is it is craft center, child center and activity center. Because of this one, the children were very much interested in learning. Okay. And craft center is given because of that one. They learn some of the things which is very much useful for the future livelihood, to earn something. They are craft. What do you mean by craft? Already I said kaivini polukal, some useful material. Okay, that is the same craft method. Now we are calling as socially useful productive work, SUBW we are saying. Okay, why it was given that much important, craft was given importance means not only ignorant people were ignorant, they were too poor. They depend only on agriculture. Other than that one, they do not know anything. No industrial development. Before independence, even after the independence, industrial development came very late. And science education was totally nil. So they required something to sell and earn their life. Earn something for their life. So craft centered education became one important feature of basic education. Next one is training in citizenship. The basic education itself based on the principle cooperation, truth, justice, mutual understanding and citizenship. So all these quality, brotherhood, all those principles on which basic education was framed gave a very good training for the children to become a fruitful and productive citizen in future. So it gave a training for citizenship. Next, free and compulsory education, and that also favoring the mass. Okay, suitable for rural and urban area. Urban areas were very limited that time. Very cities are very less. Before as well as soon as independent, the number of cities were very less. Okay, so there is not much difference between rural and urban area. So it was suited for all the areas. What are the demerits? What are the limitations of basic education? Means definitely it is unsuitable now. That time itself no importance was given for games, playing. Okay. And limited application of the craft method, we cannot apply to learn technology as well as science and all. Less importance for knowledge. Knowledge also given not much important. They learn only limited. Most of the things are application oriented, activity based. Unsuitable to learn science and technology. Industrial development, it is not giving any training, and that is not the aim of basic education itself. That is the limitation. I hope you understood, and it is very important, and you should remember this basic education was advocated and introduced by Gandhiji as soon as independence was announced in 1947 only, not recently. Okay. Learn something more about basic education. Thank you.